Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Robinhood trading app onto your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, go to Google, then type in Robinhood trading app, then go ahead and click search. Then from here, scroll past the sponsored results, and here it is here, Robinhood Trading and Investing. It's got over 500,000 reviews with a 3.1 star rating. So from here, we can click into the site from Google Play and download and install it. But if you use an iOS, look for the iOS version, but it should automatically pop up depending on what device you're using. So if I go ahead and click into it, because I'm in Australia, Robinhood isn't available to download and install in Australia, but other countries you can, for example, US, Canada, etc. So once you go ahead and press on download, it's going to download and install it, and then from there you can sign in or sign up to the Robinhood trading app and start using it.